Reasons why your husband no longer kiss you. The reasons why your husband no longer kisses you can be diverse, however, you must take it into account. It is a sign that the routine threatens your relationship. Do you want to know the reasons why your husband no longer kisses you? It happens that when romance starts, passion is always present and therefore kisses too. However, over time everything changes. The routine ends with passion and love, especially if you do nothing to keep both feelings alive. In case the matter has you in dismay, here we tell you the reasons why your husband no longer kisses you. Indeed, when kisses cease, you must worry, since they are an ingredient that is key to igniting the desire and above all to strengthen the loving bond that exists between you. And is that kisses cause many reactions in the brain, most positive, then imagine what happens when they do not exist. Take into account that this not only happens to couples who have been together for decades but even to those who have been together for as little as 3 years and who have let the flame of passion go out. Here we give you the reasons. These are the reasons why your husband no longer kisses you. 1. Passion went out. Because of the routine, even the conflicts that arise with the day-to-day and that are not resolved in time, couples lose the passion and freshness in their marriage, so the attraction and the desire to kiss are lost. If this is the case, the ideal is that you should sit down to talk about what is happening and resort to activities that allow you to keep your romance fresh. 2. You have children. Many times when couples have children they avoid kissing because the children are watching and consider that they are too young to understand. There is a fear that they will observe intimate situations between their parents. However, it is best to explain and grow up with the idea that expressions of love are normal and healthy. 3. Believe that kisses are things for young people. Another factor is that sometimes there is the idea that kisses are for young people, then, mature couples are gradually forgetting this important caress. In addition, inexplicably marriages are losing the habit of kissing in public as if it was frowned upon and that gradually becomes something of every day. Do not let that happen. 4. Little disposition to sex. A factor that leads couples to avoid kissing is the belief that passionate kissing is the prelude to sex, which is why they avoid it especially when routine and occupations have taken the desire away. However, kisses should not always end in bed. On the contrary, couples should take it as a sign of affection and yes, of desire. Therefore, if the libido is running out in your marriage, it is urgent to take action on the matter. Learn why men lose interest. Click or tap below to download this free ebook.